Patient is prescribed diazepam 0.25 mgs. Tablets are 500 micrograms. How many tablets? Right. First of all, the prescribed amount and the tablet, they're not in the same unit, of mgs and micrograms. So we're going to change this fella here to micrograms. Mgs converting to micrograms, multiplied by 1,000. So we have 0.25 multiplied by 1,000. There's 3 zeros there, so we're going to hop that decimal point 3 places. And it goes from here 1, 2, and 3. So we need a 0 here. So we get 250 micrograms. And that's the prescribed amount. The tablets are 500. The tablets are 500 micrograms each. So if we give them a tablet, that'll be double the dose. So we need to give them half a tablet. So the answer is half of a tablet. That's it.